Running out of mobile data too fast? In this video, I'll show you how to set a data limit on your Pixel phone. Let's get started. Open Settings on your device and select Network and Internet. Then tap SIMs. Now tap on your active SIM. After that, tap Data Warning and Limit. Then toggle on the Set Data Limit option. Tap OK to confirm it. Now tap Data Limit. Set your monthly data limit and tap Set. You can also enable Data Warning to get notified before reaching your limit. That's it. Thanks for watching. If this helped, like and subscribe for more tech tips. Got questions? Comment below.